This will be a no-gi bout going down inside the 140-pound blue belt division with a 6-minute time limit. Introducing first, grappling out of the blue corner, this is Marlie Ray.
Here we go, folks. It's time for the ladies again. Marlie Rain stepping onto the mat. Gotta believe she's showing love to everybody but her opponent tonight. Throwing up the hard hands. No gi, 140-pound blue belt division as we get ready for her opponent.
And her opponent across the mat and grappling out of the red corner, representing Hinza Gracie Cyprus, this is Juliana Barron.
Juliana Barron. And I got to make a comment, folks, about how interesting it is the way different people handle competitive environments. Reigns comes out, throws up the heart hands, all smiles, looking relaxed. Barron coming out, and she's got a smile on her face. But the heavy metal music, she's ready to rock and roll. Here we go, folks. Rain and Barron, and right away, as a juxtaposition to their demeanors beforehand, now Rain is the aggressor, pressuring in. Rain looking to fall back, looking to trap the leg. Barron trying to keep pressure, trying to keep the head secured, to keep that leg safe. Barron now has the issue. There you go. I was about to say that leg is actually not doing her any favors. There, gets it free, goes into the guard of Marlie Rain. See Barron trying to pressure Rain, using those arms as frames to keep that pressure off. And now there's the crossface cutting across the jawline. That's going to make life very difficult for Rain, very uncomfortable. You can use that pressure. You pin down, make the opponent flat, and then begin to work the legs. You begin to crawl yourself out. And that pressure was alleviated. Rain able to come up on her side, get back to the guard. Now she's looking to create sweeps, trying to create turmoil. Barron tries to go over the top of the guard, tries to knee slice. Rain retains. A lot of pressure from the top from Barron. But Rain doing a good job of waiting for those moments where the pressure lets up. Using those moments to create her movements. Rain looking for an inverted triangle there. Looking for it again. And now Rain transitions around. Marlie Rain has the back. Barron needs to be very careful not to let her get the hooks in. Barron trying to grab that single leg. Sitting up, pressuring in. And the problem is Rain has, you see it there, reached around and trapped that arm on the far side. Now she's trying to get under the head. Cannot do it. They wind up back in this half guard position. Barron looking to come up onto her side. She needs to keep pressure on the head of Marlie Rain. She cannot let her get up onto her side to sweep. You see Barron using her head there, try to maintain her balance. And that little alleviation of pressure, that's what lets Rain come up onto her side, get back to her guard, and attempt more submissions. Minute 40 left in this matchup. It's really been the story of this half guard. They've moved around it a little bit, but this is where the majority of the match feels like it's taken place. Barron unable to really escape, or unable to pass, excuse me, or create a submission attempt from here. And Rain unable to really do anything with it from here. Barron once again, I believe, yes, has the cross face going around the back of the head, grabbing that far shoulder. And that pressure can generally be used to create a pass. She's trying to fish back and forth, but that lets Rain get up on her side. That's going to allow her to escape. It's going to allow her to escape out the back door. You alleviate that pressure. Now, if you keep fishing for that arm, that's a two-way street. Rain trying to roll through. Does not have it yet, but this is submission time here late. Rain winds up on top. Now Barron gets through and the roles are reversed. Now they're in Barron's half guard. Here at the end of the matchup, Rain looking for the submission. 3 seconds left. And that is time. Good competitive back and forth matchup for the women. As we await the judge's decision, and there's only one man that can give us that decision. That's Mr. Bryce Boudreau.
Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of this bout, your winner via judge's decision, grappling out of the blue corner, Marlie Rain.
Marlie Rains picks up the victory. That's the thing, folks. Barron may have spent more time on top, but Rain had many more submission attempts, especially near the tail end. Those are what matter here at Elevate Submission Series. Picking up the win. Congratulations to Marlie Rain. Very closely contested matchup.